This is Bill North of the Florida Weekend Warriors. And we have a Grand Design Imagine 2019. And about a year ago, all this furniture started to peel. So the first thing we thought to do is, because it's out of the warranty, is we'll go to Ollie's and get these covers, because it's just peeling right by the head area. And see, they kind of look okay. They're pretty inexpensive. You know, they were like $15 a piece. And then the armrest started to peel. So we got this peel and stick patch kit. And you can see it doesn't quite match very well. Well, now all of a sudden, apparently it's peeling really bad behind here because we're getting the little pleather pieces all over the camper. And then when we peeled it back and looked at it, we saw how bad it looked. But what we really should have done was call Lippert. And you'll see why in this video. So you can see how bad our chairs are really getting to be. And the pleather is just peeling off. Also, our dinette's starting to do the same thing. I'm not sure you can see it in the GoPro, but it's all bubbling and it's getting ready to peel off too. So the first thing we did was try looking for some replacement furniture. This furniture is made by Lippert. So we went to the manufacturer's website to see if we can find some replacements. And we also went to RecPro. And what we discovered is that we have a non-standard size dinette. It's 62 inches wide and the standard is 65. So what ends up happening is we have a single cup holder for a center console. All the new ones have two side by side. So it will not fit in this space because this space is only 62 inches wide. So what I eventually did was just call Lippert directly to see if they could help me find a piece of furniture that will fit in this space. And Lippert actually has a replacement program. So they are going to give us 50% off of the new furniture. And the amount of discount you get depends on the manufacturer and age of your RV. So we ended up finding a set that'll replace it. It's not the exact same color, but it's something very close. But it's not going to have the heating and the massaging things because that's no longer available. Because this whole setup is basically has been discontinued by Lippert. So to get a unit that's going to have the cup holders that light up and have the massage and the heat feature, you're only going to be able to get a love seat that would fit in this space, which we use this center console all the time and we didn't want that. So the one we're going to get is not going to have cup holders here. It's going to have two cup holders in the center, one behind each other, and it'll also have access to store all the remotes. And that's really what we wanted, and it's going to be close in color to match. And also, Lippert says that this DeSantis mink, which is this color, that part, they can also still make it because they still have the material. So we're also going to get all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dinette cushions also. And the whole thing... So the actual set we're getting is a discontinued set that they had left over. And they decided to get rid of them and put them on their website. So it's only going to have a 1-year warranty. The regular aftermarket stuff has a 5-year warranty. But we really wanted the color that would match, and we wanted a center console. The discontinued set is on sale on their website, but the 50% off does not apply to the sales price. And also, they normally charge shipping whenever they send the furniture. But the discontinued ones came with free shipping. So I asked the person that was helping us at Lippert to check with management to see if they could get us the free shipping, and they did. So we're getting everything for $832. So we're getting the 3 pieces and all new dinette cushions. And that includes sales tax and freight, which is free. The people at Lippert were awesome. They were great to work with. The key is to have your VIN number when you call because your discount depends on that VIN number. And also you will get a case number. Now each time you call, well the first time you call you're going to say you want the furniture department. And once you're transferred there, you'll give them all the information and you'll get a case number. You'll need that case number each time you call. But they were great to work with and we highly recommend going through Lippert to get your furniture replaced. We're not sure when the furniture is going to be delivered. We haven't got a shipping confirmation yet, so we're not sure if you're going to see another video, us out camping or replacing the furniture. But leave a comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on our next adventure. See ya!
See ya!